Vivian. We are in a food court. I can show you. This is like a food court around here. There's some people here. Oh no, don't look at those people. I wonder if I can go over there. There was these people who were dressed up really cutely. They look so adorable. Oh, if you can see, you can't. Oh, you can't really see. The one with the pink hat. But anyway, we're eating giant, massive takoyaki.
Octopus balls.
Yeah, octopus balls. You can't really see it, but I'll move over all this crap. It's like massive. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Can you see? It's like massive. I just have the normal plain one, and my sister has
The chung one.
the shallot, the chung one. Anyway, I'm all hot and sweaty. You might see my fringe is a bit sweaty. Do I look sweaty?
Nah, she looks okay.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to record more later, like I'll show you the food court. Well, I'm going to eat this really yummy takoyaki. So, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.